I have my phone Hammer Force, and let me show you how to enable the mobile hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Right here you have to choose more under wireless and networks. Let's select touchscreen and portable hotspot. Here you need to enable the portable hotspot by using that switcher, and right now the device is switching on the portable hotspot. Now you can set up this hotspot by choosing setup. You can change the network name, the security type, the password. Right now we are using the following one. If you make some changes, let's tap save. If not, let's choose cancel. So right now you can share your Wi-Fi, or you can disable the portable hotspot by using this switcher. You can go back, and now you can use your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.